What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be showing you two simple upgrades that'll transform the interior of your BMW E70 X5. Alright, so the first thing is the OEM M Sport steering wheel for the E70. This steering wheel keeps the heated function and it still gives it the great look of the M Sport steering wheel. Alright, so in order to remove the steering wheel, the first thing that'll need to be removed is the airbag. And there's a bunch of tutorials online, so I'm not going to go too in-depth with it.
And just like that, we got it out. I'm not going to make this into a full video, but yeah. It's the old steering wheel right there. Shit ugly as hell. Fuck that non-M Sport shit. It's just garbage. Alright, so the main video that everybody uses to do this swap, they all of the videos, they usually swap the airbag, but I bought this wheel with the airbag already. And I just wanted to show you guys the new airbag, which is out of a sport wheel, has the same airbag connector as the non-sport wheel. So if you guys buy a wheel with the airbag already, it's literally just a direct plug-and-play swap. Also, you could call us ghetto, whatever you want, but we didn't disconnect the battery. Fuck that shit. I've never had an airbag blow up, so we're gonna continue to never disconnect the battery. Fuck that. If you guys thought I was capping, I'm not, because look, the car is full of wheels in the back and I'm not taking all that shit out to disconnect the battery just to throw in a steering wheel. And we got the new wheel in. Oh my god, it looks so much better already. Nice and small. Sheesh. And just like that, you guys, under, I think what, like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, this thing is out. Nice little quick install. Yeah, pop that motherfucker in. This is the only annoying thing about not disconnecting the battery. You gonna honk. And it's in. Damn, you guys, this wheel looks so much better than the old wheel. Let me go ahead and start the car. Make sure we have no lights on the dash. And no lights. And we didn't disconnect the battery or anything, so there's nothing to reset. Literally just ready to drive.
And now the next mod that we're going to get into is this ceramic iDrive controller knob. And what this replaces is the factory silver iDrive knob. So yeah, you guys, this pops off with a trim tool. And it should give the car a way more modern look. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like installed. Honestly, it's a pretty easy and straightforward install. The directions that it comes with is pretty straightforward and it looks really good, and as you guys can see here, it retains all of the factory functions. So how do you guys think it came out? Me personally, I feel like it came out pretty good, but everybody's entitled to their own opinion, so let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. And the reason why you guys don't see the all-terrain tires or like any of the newer mods that we've done to this car is because this is all older footage that I just wanted to, I guess, upload and make use out of. But yeah, I think this interior is definitely a step in the right direction. I'm not fully at where I want to be with the car yet, so there is a couple more things that I have in mind, but you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned for all that. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys like the double upload this week. I'm out.
Popping shit, I've been going up since a shorty.